It is day 6 in New Zealand. We are in Picton. Not much to see, but it's a good stop for those who are coming down from the north to the South Island. Today itself, we're going to depart to Kaikoura and go all the way to Attribution Pass. Right now we are at a place called Ohau, which is about 30 minutes away from Kaikoura. The view here in South Island is really different from the north. It's really magnificent. We had a couple of stops along the way from Picton to Kaikoura. Clearly no drone sign over here. We have done 2 stops just to drone. I can't drone over here, it's fine. I think I got some pretty good shots already. It is 10 AM in the morning. We drove about 3 hours plus from Picton. We are here at Kaikoura for lunch and a grocery stop before we continue on with the journey to Attribution Pass.
Yes, I've done all my makeup.
What makeup?
All my makeup.
That's why you stay in the car, right? While we're like taking ice cream. Ready for Attribution Pass?
Yeah, man. Yes.
Let's go Attribution Pass.
First stop, Castle Hill. It is quite a magnificent view. Rock formation all over the place. So drones are strictly not allowed. There's a sign out there. Hey bro, how are you feeling? Cold? Jen, you cold? It's not cold, look at my hands. It's freezing, but it's fine. Just gonna take a stroll before we head to our Airbnb right on top of Attribution Pass. I'm at the top of Castle Hill. You can see the road that we came from just now. What is this for?
To drink.
Drink what?
Thirsty.
Oh, are you really drinking it?
You legit drink it ah?
Yeah lah.
What does it taste?
Tastes like holy water.
arrived at our Airbnb. Let me show you around. This is one interesting feature about this Airbnb. There is a log burner. This is gonna keep us all warm. So this is our first home cooked dinner, accompanied by some classical music. Thanks Shane for the dinner.
Thank you.
That pretty much wraps up our 6th day in New Zealand. We're gonna explore Arthur's Pass tomorrow, probably do a couple of trekking and stay another night. Bye!